How do you print orders on Shopify? What's up guys, it's Paul from E-commerce Gold, and in this short Shopify tutorial I'm going to show you how you can print Shopify orders directly from the Shopify dashboard, because this is a functionality that is effectively missing from the Shopify platform. Now there has been a recent update to Shopify which has slightly changed what's available on the core Shopify, but I'm still going to show you what I think is the best way to go about printing your orders off. So with that out of the way, let's jump into my computer to get this tutorial started. Now, as I said, there's been a recent update to the Shopify platform. So if you go into your orders, select the orders you want to print, under the More Actions drop-down menu, you'll see this option to print packing slips. And if you click on that option, it will generate a packing slip for you. But this is a pretty basic packing slip, and there's no other documentation you can print off along with it. Now, while this will get the job done for some companies, it's not really all that much in terms of being able to print your orders off. A lot of times you do want a bit more, and you want something you can specifically send to your customer. And that is why you're gonna need to install an app. So what we'll do is come out of that, and what we'll do is we'll go into the Shopify App Store. Now what you wanna search for is Order Printer. And then we'll search for that, and it'll bring up all the options to print off orders directly from your Shopify dashboard. Now most people are going to go for the Order Printer app by Shopify, and this was the one I used to recommend, and it will get the job done, and for a completely free app it's pretty good. But people have run into a few issues with the app, specifically when they've installed it, uninstalled it and then reinstalled it. For some reason it just doesn't seem to work properly, and nobody seems to know why. And that is why I recommend instead going for this app, which is the Order Printer Pro app by Forsberg. This is a really good app, and it's the best one that I've actually tried on the Shopify platform. Now there is a free plan available with this, so if we scroll down to the pricing, as you can see there's a free plan for stores that have less than 50 orders a month. So if you've got a very small Shopify store, this is going to be ideal. But if you do have more than 50 orders a month, it is going to be an additional $10 a month on top of your plan. But you do get a lot of features with this app, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So if we go back into our Shopify dashboard and we go to the order management page, select the orders that you want to print, and under the More Actions menu, you'll see that there's two options appear. You've got the Print with Order Printer Pro, which allows you to print orders directly from your browser. And there is also an option to export the orders in PDF format. And the way this works is it generates a zip file for all of your orders that you've selected, and then that's emailed to your admin email address. You can then download this file from your email account and then extract all the files using your browser's extract format, and then you've got them directly on your device. And if you want to print directly from your device, that is the way you want to do it if you don't want to do it direct from your browser. Hope that makes sense. But for this video, we're just going to be looking at printing orders directly from your browser. So for this option, we'll click Print with Order Printer Pro. And what it'll do is it will generate a template for you. And as you can see on the right hand side, there's multiple templates that you can actually select. And this is why I really do like this app, because not only can you generate a receipt/invoice, which is this one here, you can also generate a packing slip as well, which appears below it. So this is if you're using it in your warehouse or something like that. But other options that I like are a returns form. This is a fantastic little feature and something that a lot of people won't think about, but actually having a returns form that you can send to your customer with actually like returns numbers that you generate will make your returns process so much easier and more efficient to manage. So you can also generate a returns form, and then you can generate a refund and credit note. So rather than just emailing a customer to say you've had a refund, you can actually send them a refund form. So if you scroll down, go, that's a returns form. So it gives the return address, what they're going to be returning, and the reason why they're going to be returning it. Fantastic thing. I really do like that feature. And then a refund/credit note. So you can send this to confirm that your customer has had a refund on their item. I really do like this app. I think it's fantastic. So once you've decided which template you want to print, simply click print in the top right hand corner, and then it'll bring up a print preview within your browser. And then you can select which device you want to send these orders to so they can be printed. Now, another good thing about this app is you can actually manage the templates. So if you're going to manage templates, you can go in and edit the code of the template. You can also design custom templates as well, and they will generate them for you. Now, this is an additional cost, and you do need to install an additional app for this. this. So if we go back into the Shopify App Store, and under the order printer, you'll see this order printer template. And this is where you can order custom order templates from the guys at Forsberg, and they'll actually generate them for you. There is a cost to this, but if you want completely custom templates that fit your business and brand, it's probably going to be worth the investment. Plus it works flawlessly with the Order Printer Pro app. So that is how you can print orders from Shopify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please drop a like on the video because it really does help the channel out. Also, if you want to see more e-commerce related content, consider hitting that subscribe button below. And also, if you'd like to support the channel, you can do by buying me a coffee using the link in the description below, and that is very much appreciated. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay awesome, and I'll see you all next video.